The Fitbit Watch, which was initially designed to track steps, is one of the outstanding health tracking gadgets available, outperforming other models, including the Apple Watch, in terms of offering comprehensive fitness tracking. In today's video, we will talk about the classic Fitbit Sense 2 smartwatch, one of the newest Fitbit devices. We shall discuss its unboxing and hands-on experience.
Let's get started.
Design. The Fitbit Sense 2 has a more comfortable design with a 15% weight reduction and 10% structural reduction, which makes it seem less bulky on the wrist and more bearable to use for extended periods of time. Additionally, it now has a side button with an ethereal design that appears to have taken the place of the previous indentation touch area and offers superior functionality. The upgrade in design features surely tells that Fitbit is in for a lot of updates. We will soon be talking about its major hike in battery life. Keep watching to find out more. Compatibility with other devices. One of the few smartwatches that is compatible with both Android and iOS is the Fitbit Sense 2, although Alexa is the sole voice assistant available. Fitbit moderator Lizzie has stated in response to the numerous inquiries from users, in regards to the voice assistant, let me share currently there are no plans to deploy Google Assistant on Sense 2 or Versa 4. I understand how much you'd like to have this feature available, and we look forward to bringing this feature to future devices. Also, the Fitbit's GPS is not the best for really accurate route monitoring. Fitbit once again promises to add Google Maps and Google Wallet in the upcoming series, which may prove to be quite beneficial. These and other additional features will undoubtedly raise the Fitbit Watch's level of sophistication from its current appearance as a health monitoring gadget to that of the majority of other smartwatches on the market.
That's insane!
Principal health features. The Fitbit Sense 2's Continuous Electrodermal Activity (CEDA) tracker has been updated with a body response notification that provides you with regular updates on how you're really feeling. This is an improvement to the original Fitbit Electrodermal Activity (EDA) tracker. In other words, it informs you of your reaction to the events taking place around you. Although it can be a little distracting, this is like a constant reminder to monitor your mental health throughout the day. If you decide that you don't need as many updates, you can turn off the body response notifications. Of course, the Fitbit continues to offer its temperature tracking feature, which the majority of wristwatch brands are now adopting. Also, it comes with one of the broadest selection of fitness options, 40 in total, ranging from the most strenuous outdoor activities to the most relaxing interior hobbies and meditation. With Fitbit's Active Zone feature, you'll be pushed to complete the 150 Active Zone minutes per week advised by the World Health Organization, which will enable you to burn off a significant quantity of calories to support healthy cardiac function. Consider subscribing to our channel if you would appreciate regular updates on smartwatches and other handy electronic gadgets. Hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any of our timely updates. The Readiness Score, another intriguing feature of the most recent Fitbit Sense, accurately predicts your level of fitness for each day's activities by monitoring your past activities, sleep patterns, and other factors. It therefore evaluates the readiness of your muscles, brain, and entire body, and suggests the activities that are optimal for you on any particular day. If you're searching for a health-focused device tracker, the Fitbit should be at the top of your choice because, in general, no other smartwatch comes close to its detailed health indicators.
Sorry, he's a goat.
Battery life. The Fitbit Sense 2, which is the most recent generation, has a battery life that is second only to Garmin's GPS watches at almost a week. Naturally, a lot depends on how frequently you use it. One of its most power-hungry aspects appears to be the always-on display, but when it is off, you can use your smartwatch for roughly 6 days. You still need a Type-A USB cord to charge your Fitbit Sense 2, even if it may seem dated. Has the pricing significantly increased in light of all these upgrades? We'll find out later in this video.
Keep watching.
Other features. The Fitbit Sense 2 includes Bluetooth and NFC connectivity, but its Wi-Fi connectivity, which was a feature of its predecessor, has been disabled.
It also has built-in smartphone notification support and built-in Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to take calls directly from your watch and leave your phone at home.
The watch is available in black and soft gold. While a majority of men are unsure of how the gold would look on them, some agree that it's fairly unisex. Which of the Fitbit color options has been your favorite? Tell us in the comments section. Fitbit claims that the watch is water-resistant up to a depth of 50 meters, enabling you to do the wettest exercises while wearing it.
That would be useful as Lord of Winterfell.
Price. The Sense 2 is Fitbit's most expensive wearable. Since it doesn't have an LTE option and no size variations, it retails at a standard price of $329, which is an increase from the original Fitbit Sense's $299.95 pricing. The Fitbit Sense 2 is a good fitness tracker, but for that manufacturer's suggested retail price, it surely is expensive. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 will definitely be a great competitor to the Fitbit Sense, supporting more than double the sport modes on the Fitbit Sense. Check out our next video, Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 2023. Release date, pricing, and big specs. We'll see you in the next video.